Growing a beard requires a healthy foundation. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, especially those that promote hair growth, like biotin, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. A healthy body is the key to healthy hair, including your beard. Beard growth oils. Beard growth oils have gained popularity in recent years, and many claim they can accelerate beard growth. Now, while there's no magic solution for overnight beard growth, these oils can help create the optimal conditions for hair growth. Look for oils that contain natural ingredients like jojoba oil, argan oil, or castor oil, as they nourish the hair follicles, moisturize the skin beneath, and may stimulate growth. Apply the oil to your beard and gently massage it in, focusing on the roots. Incorporating this into your daily routine can help keep your beard healthy and possibly encourage growth. Washing face. If you watch the video about clear skin, then you know how important washing your face is. You need to be washing your face correctly every day for you to even start to see any hair growth on your face. Washing your face and then applying your beard growth oil is a must. Trimming your beard. Regular trimming and shaping are essential for maintaining a neat and well-groomed beard. Once your beard starts to grow, use a quality beard trimmer or scissors to shape it according to your desired style. Trimming the ends regularly will also help remove split ends and promote healthy growth. Patience. Growing a beard takes time and patience. It's important to understand that beard growth is a gradual process, and results may vary from person to person. Some men may start seeing noticeable growth in a matter of weeks, while others may take months. Don't get discouraged if your beard doesn't grow as fast as you'd like. Give it time, stay consistent with your beard care routine, and trust the process. After all that being said, if you really want a beard, you have to turn from a boy to a man. If you want to be a man, you need to get in the gym and start lifting some weights. I made a video for you skinny guys out there to show you how to build muscle. Like and subscribe, and then head over to that video on my channel to start building muscle.